Today, we'll create SOPs like this.
Go ahead and click it to open the settings for your deals. You'll find a range of options here, but the one we're after is pipelines,
which your team will actually follow, and will keep your business processes running efficiently without you. And it only takes 5 minutes. We'll use just one tool for it, Cluso, which you can find linked in the description below. Here's what this video covers. First, the Holy Trinity, the 3 non-negotiable rules without which you can't create an effective SOP. Second, the process, the entire step-by-step tutorial of creating an effective SOP in under 5 minutes. So let's get into it. The Holy Trinity quite literally ensures your SOPs never fail. Rule 1. Title your SOPs as how to onboard a client, how to process a refund. If your team can't tell what the SOP is for from the title, they'll never open it. Rule 2. One SOP with 30 steps is a lot harder to digest than 5 smaller SOPs that each target a specific function. So let's break it down and keep it under 8 steps to make sure your team doesn't close the doc within 10 seconds. Rule 3, name your steps like approve the invoice instead of go to the invoicing area. If a step doesn't spell out the result, the person following the SOP won't know what they just did. Now, let's apply the Holy Trinity and build the most effective SOP for onboarding your team onto a new software. We'll create an SOP for our sales team on how to add a deal stage in HubSpot. First, let's hop onto Cluso. Now, there are 2 ways to go about this. If you're documenting this process for the first time, record your screen with the Cluso extension and narrate the steps as you go. As soon as you finish recording, you're taken to a new project with a polished version of what you captured. Or, here's a hack, just upload a recording you already have. You can simply reuse an old recording from a previous training session and create your SOP with it. Let's drop it in by clicking on Upload Videos. The video opens as a new project, and you'll see that Cluso has already taken care of everything. It has processed the audio and the on-screen visuals to determine what the SOP was about, and added a relevant intro and outro. It has also generated a clean script, added visual effects to the raw recording to make the SOP easy to follow, zoomed in on clicks, and highlighted every button. It builds the written guide simultaneously too, so before you even touch anything, you have a working draft of both. All of this happens in the editor, so you are completely in control. You can go ahead and edit the effects on the timeline, add new ones if you'd like, regenerate the script by clicking on AI Rewrite, pick an AI voice from the many options available, and add a voiceover to guide your team through every step. Let's add a human touch with a talking head. You could either add your own video as an element, and add yourself speaking over the screen recording, or just hover over the transcript and you'll see an option to add an avatar. Pick the one you like, customize their outfit, and bring them over to the corner. They sync automatically with your generated voiceover. Finish the video by adding captions in a style that matches your video. This one simple timeline is where you make all of your preferred adjustments, and it saves you a lot of time because you don't need to start from scratch. Let's check out our SOP doc now. Switch to the article tab. Your written SOP is already here, covering each step with screenshots and GIFs pulled straight from the recording. To edit it, you can use the AI assistant chat on the left. Just tell it what you want, or click on one of the prompts here like improve writing, and it updates the doc automatically. And look, it already follows the Holy Trinity. The title is How to Add a Deal Stage in HubSpot. There's only 7 steps, not 50, and each step is an outcome.
Once you've landed on the perfect name, just type it in. And just like that, your new deal stage is ready to go.
There, we've created the same video and guide you saw at the start, both from one recording and under 5 minutes. Share both of them with your team and let them learn from the format they prefer. That's how you build an SOP that actually gets followed. Record it once or upload an old video, and Cluso turns it into a video SOP and a written guide automatically. You can find the link to Cluso in the description below and give this a shot yourself. If you found the videos helpful, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Drop a comment to let us know what you'd like us to cover next, and we'll see you in the next one.